leftover of the thread, and take it off, and you just you join them up together. While knitting, you can put it inside that to do the, and here will be all single crochet. You join them up. Now you see this, you just poke into that there first, that way. Yeah. Then you go to the next one. This is not the next one, this one is all together, so this one here, so single crochet, put the marker, there, don't put yet, or maybe just go one round first, then you put the marker, then it will stick. It will be the first round. Raining outside. Now you put the marker there. That's one round ready. So now we're going to the second round. Marker. This is the second round going. Second round also all single crochet. All single crochet second round. Go to reach there also until round 16. From here to here is round 16 already. So done. All single crochet there. All together from here to this round will be 100. 100. So count to 8. Let me put the light. Count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and then reduce. Do 10 times around here until the red color thread. Now round 18 is all single crochet. Round 19 is go to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then now reduce. Hook, reduce. Do 10 times around until a red color thread, and then round 20 is all single crochet. Round 20 done. Now put the marker. Now go on to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now reduce. 10 times around until you reach the red color thread. Round 23 is go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reduce. I did say round 22 is all single crochet, isn't it? Okay. This one do 10 times around until you reach the red color. So the next one is 24 is all single crochet, and it's going to be same, but I'll do it first and you'll find out how many rows. Now this is round 45. This one is all after the round 23 you go 24 to 44 is all single crochet. So now is 45. So go 8 single crochets, go on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then hook and hook and descend all in. Do this until you reach the red color thread, and then the next for 46 you all single crochet. Round 46 is all single crochet, isn't it? So now round 47. Round 47, go on to 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and reduce. Hook and hook, reduce. Go on 7 times until the red color thread, and then the next round is all single crochet. 48 is all single crochet. Round 49, go to 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then now reduce. And then reduce. Do 7 times. Go down. Up to the red color thread, and then next round is all single crochet. 50. Round 51. 51 is go to 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now hook and hook, reduce. Do this. is until the red color thread. 51 finish, 52 all single crochet, and then 53 is 4. Go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then decrease until the red color thread. Go to the red color thread, and then the next round is all single crochet. Now round 55, go to 3, and did I say anything about this round 54? Is all single crochet. This one 55 is go to 3, 3, 2, 3, then reduce until the red color thread, and then we'll find out. Okay, the 56 is all single crochet, and then the next one is go to 5, 1, yeah. Let me do again nicely. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and reduce until you reach the red color. That's coming along nicely. Hope you stuck in the fiber already in while you're doing this. Now we do the last one is 58 all single crochet. Do a slip chain and make a knot and cut it off. I got the head with this long string there already, so I cut it off this one short. Yes, I unpick and do, and now I got it ready. Okay, then sew the head.